3, 4.
To you?
Scratch.
What is scratch?
Scratch.
Tell tatay.
No. Ito man. Call tatay.
Tell tatay what happened to you.
So good.
Happy birthday, Daron. How many years are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now, Daron? Daron, 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 Daron. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daron.
Love you, Ram.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Happy birthday, Daron.
Hello, Deron. How are you na? Apo kong mabalantot. Kumusta na, baby ko? Oh, happy birthday. Oh, sana patuloy kang magiging mabait na bata, ha? Mag-aaral kang mabuti. At alagaan mo ang iyong baby, Gigi. At yung mga pinsan mo dyan, kailangan huwag kayong mag-away-away, ha? Mahalin niyo ang isa't isa. Oh, di ba? Oh, happy birthday, baby. Daron, I love you very, very much, ha? Nag-aral kang mabuti. Huwag mong pabayaan ng kumain ka ng mabuti, ha, Daron? Huwag kang masyadong kumain ng french fries at hindi maganda. Kain ka ng gulay. Fruits, ha? Oh, sige pala. Oh, enjoy your birthday, Daron. I love you, I love you, I love you. Bye-bye. Ingat palagi, ha? Si nanay mo, huwag mong pabayaan. Kailangan lagi mong alagaan si nanay mo. Huwag kang magpasaway, ha? Para hindi magkasakit si nanay at saka si tatay, ha? Okay, si Gigi. Bye-bye. Love you, Daron.
Hello. Hello, Daron. Happy 7th birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan. At big party. Kasi 7 years old ka na eh. Sana andyan ako, no? Kaso, kala ko uwi kayo eh. Dito ka magbe-birthday, hindi pala. Di bale, okay lang. Basta nag-aral mabuti. Tsaka, alam ko naman na best kuya ka eh. Diba? Lagi mong inaalagaan ang kapatid mo. At sana maging ano ang yung birthday, maging masaya at marami kang regalo. Diba? Butihin mo pag-aaral mo, ha? O, sige. Gandito na lang. Happy birthday, Apo. I love you. Miss na miss ko na kayo. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.
7th birthday. Abating itong 7th birthday, Jerome, si Lolo Toto ito. Sana paganda ka ng mama mo dyan. Kasi papa mo, pati yung kapatid mo. Si Lola mo, Neneng, nagbati na ba sa'yo? O hindi pa? Hindi pa, no? Pag bumabati si Lola, hanggang ngayon pilay pa.
Uwi ka na.
Ha?
Uwi ka na sa'yo.
Uwi ka na, Deron.
Namimiss ka na.
Naimiss ka na. Dati si Gigi umuwi dito na ikaw.
Enjoy mo.
Deron, uwi na.
Enjoy mo yung birthday mo.
Para birthday mo. Deron. Na. Para sa yung birthday mo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Deron.
I love you.
I love you.
Ingat lagi.
Ingat ka palagi dyan, ha.
Ito yung kapatid mo.
Pati yung kapatid mo, ha. Si Gigi.
Bye-bye ka na.
Bye.
Hi, Daron. Hello. Hello ka. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello ka. Ay, pakit ah. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, vlogger! Right, go there. Sorry naman.
Hi, vlog. Can you do your... do like that? No. Yeah, please. Oh my God, baby, ang aking... Oh, say bye to your vlog. Bye.
Happy birthday, Daron!
Deron, happy birthday sa'yo, nak. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo, ne.
Pasayan mo kami ng handa.
Sabihin mo sa papa mo, kumusta sila dyan po yung mama mo, ne. O sige, happy birthday sa'yo, Jeron. Ayun na.
Deron.
Hello, Deron. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Wish ko sa'yo, sana maging smart, tsaka bright ka sa school. Tsaka lagi kang sweet sa baby sister mo. O si Gigi, sabi mo, nakikita ko, laging nagdadance. Dalawa kayo. At saka si tatay at nanay mo, kumusta sila? O sige, wish ko maging masaya yung birthday mo ngayon. O bye!
Happy birthday, Daron! Happy birthday, Daron! It's your 7th birthday na. Be a good boy always. Especially to your nanay, and tatay. Happy birthday!
Hi Daron, happy birthday. Enjoy your big day. Be a good boy always. Good health. God bless you and we love you.
Takman. Happy birthday, Daron Ray! We love you! Mwah!
Hi Daron! I just want to greet you a happy 7th birthday. I wish you all the best, continue to dream big and always be a good son and kuya to Gigi. I hope you strive hard when it comes to your studies for you to reach your dreams. Again, happy 7th birthday. We love you, Kuya Daron.
Hello Kuya Daron, happy birthday. Wow, 7 years old na ang kuya. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo. Lagi kang mag-iingat at aral mabuti. I love you, kuya. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Daron. Happy 7th birthday to you. You are a big boy now. Be a good boy. And always listen to your nanay and tatay. And study well. And enjoy this day. Enjoy your birthday. We hope to see you soon. Well, at least with this baby. Say happy birthday with your cousin, Kuya Daron. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday! Oh! Bye-bye. Enjoy your day.
mo na naman.
Kiss mo tita. Ay, Ninang.
Ninang, kiss Ninang.
Ninang. Kiss mo Ninang.
Hi Daron, happy birthday from your long distance Ninong. I wish you a lifetime of happiness and success. And ayun, God bless you and your family always. Ayun, yung gift ko, papadala ko na lang kay mama mo. Okay? Ingat lagi. Bye-bye.
Hi, Daron. Kumusta na? Sana pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging mabait mo na bata and alagaan mo lagi dyan si Bajiji, na kapatid mo. And i-minimize mo yung paggamit ng gadgets kasi it's not good for your health. Alam mo naman yun. I know that you are a smart kid. Alam mo yung tama at kung ano yung mali. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagiging masipag mo. Huwag mong gayahin si Tita Nika mo ng tamad. Sure. And palagi mong sundin sila nanay at tatay mo. And also yung mga mas nakakatanda sa iyo riyan sa bahay nyo. Mag-aaral ka ng mabuti. Huwag mong pabayaan yung sarili mo. Yun lang. I wish you all the best in your life. Mag-iingat ka palagi riyan. Stay healthy. And I want to remind you that Tita Nika or your Tita Inday loves you so much. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Deron. Enjoy your special day. Ang wish ko lang, sana lumaki kang mabait and stay pogi. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, apo ko. Maging masaya ka tong birthday mo. Lagi kita napapanood sa video. Dalawa kayo ng kapatid mo. Nakita ko yung lambing mo sa kapatid mo at saka sa magulang mo. Sana patuloy mong gawain mo yan, nak. Lagi kita napapanood. I love you. Happy birthday. Maging masaya ka. Love you.
Birthday, Daron. Lagi kang mag-iingat, mag-aaral kang mabuti. Then, mahalin mo si nanay at si tatay mo. Yun lang. Pakabait ka. Maging mabuti kang bata. Then, huwag ka makakalimot kay God. Number 1 yan. Ingat kayo lagi. Ate, kuya, ingat kayo dyan. Wish you.
Hi, Deron. Happy birthday. Be a good boy, okay? Don't make too much drama. I love you.
Happy birthday, Deron. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Deron. Happy birthday, Deron.
Deron, happy birthday. Enjoy your big day. Take care and love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Deron. Enjoy your birthday. Frankies. 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 Sige.
Dance, dali. Sayo. Dance, 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 dali. Ay, dito ka lang. Dance. Hanggang may paano yung dance mo, Dance, dali, ayun ka dun, ayun.